Welcome, today I am with Realme Smart 360 camera and I'll show you how you can get firmware update, how you can check if the update is available. So at first we have to be connected with the Realme Link application, that's very obvious, and in most cases you will start from this screen, so you have to select your camera. Next you have to tap on the right upper corner on these two dots, and right now we have to scroll down and pick firmware update. As you can see, here I have the notification that my version is up to date, but in your case, if the new update is available, you will be able to enter, check the new version of the update, and then just simply download. So right here you can check the firmware update, and here you can also download it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.